Hello YouTubers, today we're going to be building a fidget spinner. Homemade fidget spinner. I could do it right here in my desk. We just need 3 items. We need 3 of these. Or 4 items. 3 of these. 1 of these. So, I'll put it. So you put those like that, and you put them on the side. So then after that, you have to look like this. Then you have to, after you do that, you push this. Push the one that is in the middle. And when you push it, it will be straight. And that is how you make your homemade fidget spinner. And be careful that you hurt your hand in that part. Pipes.